Hi, what's up, Stellar XLM holder? So it's a really shock news for all Stellar XLM holder. Oh my goodness, if you can see this time, the price is decreased now 0.3 USD dollars. So the price is very fastly decreased now from last days. You can see this time, oh my goodness, the price last 7 days, you can see the change occur minus 6.32%. The price is decreased now. Last 24 hours minus 3.67% decrease now, and last 1 hour you can see minus 0.1%. So it's mean to the price of my friends this time Stellar XLM is completely face down. So what we do, my friend, and a holder are doing very big mistake in the same time. So therefore, my friend, I make this video for all of you to don't do this mistake and be safe from the loss. Otherwise, you completely in the loss now. So Stellar XLM holder, as you can see, the chart result absolutely, my friend, you can see very badly face down from last 7 days. So it's a really bad news for all of you. This is last 24-hour chart, my friend, and you can see, my friend, this time this coin is cannot take a jump, my friend. This coin is completely face down. So my holder, if you do this mistake, what I tell you, please be safe from the loss. Don't do this mistake. The mistake is that the holders are starting selling in the same time. Absolutely, if you starting selling in the same time, so you are completely in the loss. So don't sell it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. I hope, my brothers, Stellar XLM will give you a good profit now at the end of month. So thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Take care.